Product name, Magnasonic Professional Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner with Digital Timer for Eyeglasses, Rings, Coins, MGUC 500. The Magnasonic Professional Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner with Digital Timer is a popular ultrasonic cleaner that can be used to clean jewelry, eyeglasses, coins, and other small items. Here are some of the benefits and negatives of this product. Benefits. The cleaner uses ultrasonic waves to clean items, which is a gentle and effective cleaning method. The cleaner has a digital timer that can be set for up to 480 seconds, making it easy to customize the cleaning cycle. The cleaner is easy to operate and comes with a basket to hold your valuables. The cleaner is reasonably priced. Negatives. The cleaner does not remove tarnish from jewelry. The cleaner's battery life is relatively short, so it may need to be recharged frequently. Overall, the Magnasonic Professional Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner with Digital Timer is a great choice for those who want a powerful and effective ultrasonic cleaner that is capable of cleaning a variety of small items. Price, $34.91.